Warning: you must disconnect the Opus Mini from the main power supply before carrying out any work on this machine.
Remove the top layer of Teflon tape. See Chapter 7. Using a 3mm Allen key, remove the 2 front fixing screws and the brass clamps that secure the heater element. The element can then be removed, which in normal circumstances would be in 2 pieces because it had failed. Here you can see the element removed. This is a replacement element ready for preparation for fitting. It is important that it is fitted correctly. Notice that it has a black mark on one side. This is the side that faces the heater block and rests against the lower strip of Teflon tape. It is essential that this element is fitted the correct way up. To fit the new element, put a 90-degree angle in the wire on the silver solder-coated part, about 12 mm from the end, like so. Sit the element on the block and replace the brass clamp and retaining screw and tighten using the 3mm Allen key. Tighten the block, ensuring that the element is square to the body of the heater block, like so. Push the element down and along the block, bending it around the end and underneath to the brass block. Push the element in against the brass block, putting a 90-degree bend in it, and then clamp it in place using the remaining fixing block and screw. Do not fully tighten the screw at this stage. Leave about a 1mm gap to allow for retensioning the element. Using pliers or cutters, grasp the element in the jaws and twist like so to tighten the element against the heater block. Put your thumb against the element to maintain the tension and fully tighten the fixing block. You must ensure that the element is square to the edges of the heater block. It is slightly offset from the centre of the block, but must run parallel to the edges. Ensure that this is the case all round. Trim the excess element metal where it is exposed above the block, taking care, as the waste metal can fly off and result in injury. Replace the top layer of Teflon tape to complete the job.